Do you sometimes feel like your photos are getting a bit samey? You're not alone. We all hit those patches where every shot feels like a copy of the last. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, empower and inspire your photography one 60-second tip at a time. Here's a quick exercise to kickstart your creativity. Pick one ordinary object, a mug, a plant, your shoes, and photograph it 10 different ways. Change your angle, light, distance or background. Get low, climb high, use reflections or whatever comes to mind. Then set yourself a 10-minute timer and see how many unique versions you can create. This pushes you out of autopilot and into visual thinking. You stop snapping what's there and start thinking more about the design of your photo, if that makes any sense. And the more you do this, the more you'll see photographic possibilities everywhere. It's a bit like learning to think in photos rather than words. And if you enjoy creative challenges, I've got 4 more just like it in the full video. 5 creative mini projects to spark your photography. Why not check it out after this one? That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.